So this is our FG 4-inch scoop, and now it's got a slit in it. Alright, so our fiberglass has gone off. Have a look under there. It's overnight. I've left it overnight, so it's hard enough that we can remove all the bits and pieces that held the thing in shape. So that's what I'll be doing now. The next thing I'll be doing after this is I'm going to be rounding off these corners here, because they look a bit sharp and don't line up with anything else on the scoop. So I'll probably put a little bit more glass on the inside just to give that something so that when I round it off I don't end up with nothing. And I'll probably put a bit of glass in through here just to give that a bit more strength, even though that's reasonably strong. Put another couple of layers in there, or maybe even glue a strip in there just to give that more strength and give me the ability to round that off, and I can't round that off at the moment. And sharp things won't line up with the rest of the design of the scoop. So. Alright, so we've applied a bit of filler in here. We've also smoothed off this radius, and we put a sort of a strip under here to give that heaps of strength. The customer's going to be really happy. We're just going to put a little bit of paint on there for him so it looks neat, and then send it off to him. Well, this is the finished product. Looks pretty snazzy. What do you reckon? Reach out to us if there's a scoop you want with minor adjustment. Thanks for watching.